Pasta with mushrooms and sausages recipe. Pasta with mushrooms and sausage is perfect if you are looking for a first course with a creamy consistency and a strong taste. Pour the olive oil into a pan and add a clove of garlic. Add the mushrooms. Dried mushrooms must first be soaked in water for 30 minutes. Fry the mushrooms for 15 minutes, stirring. Add a little salt to the mushrooms. Peel sausage and add the sausage to the mushrooms. Fry the sausage until it turns white. Add 50 milliliters of dry white wine. Over high heat, let the wine evaporate. Add parsley. To pepper. The pasta sauce is ready. Now we need to cook the pasta. Salt the water. Add the pasta to the water and cook for the time indicated on the package. Add pasta cooked al dente to the sauce with salsiccia and mushrooms. Mix with the sauce for no more than a minute over high heat. If the pasta seems dry, add the cooking water. Enjoy your meal. Comment and subscribe to the channel Italian Food. Watch my next videos. There are many interesting recipes of traditional Italian cuisine on my channel. May you always be lucky in everything. See you in new videos.